Yo, what's up, you guys? It's me, DrGoo, and guess what? You get what you paid for.
Guys, it's me, DrGoo, and this is me talking on this very cheap camera.
Today I wanted to talk about the ONN digital camera from Walmart. ONN being Walmart's brand for electronics. I'm not even sure what I was expecting. Not even sure. This is not great. It's also not bad. It is a $17 digital camera that shoots in HD, and so, I mean, it does that well, maybe? It does that for sure. I'm not even sure if well is the answer. In dark areas, it's very blurry.
Work safely.
And lighter areas, it's actually not bad. I was debating on whether to buy a micro SD card for my phone so that I could videotape my DJ sets, or if I wanted to buy a cheap camera. And so this was $17, and a micro SD card probably cost about $14. I decided I wanted to try and see what this did versus buying the micro SD card. And for DJ sets, it's not bad. The microphone's actually surprisingly pretty good for $17. I've bought other things that not so good. So this is decent. This is all around very decent. What I don't like is that it's very light. It's very easy for this to be shaking and just be like, and you have throwing up. It's also feels like if I dropped this too many times that I would probably break it and it would just be broken. I wouldn't necessarily have this for traveling. Here are the things that it does not come with. You have to buy batteries. A lot of cameras come with batteries. This does not. It also does not come with an SD card. Right here. It's not very feature heavy as well. You just press menu. There's the menu. And you can go from, I don't know if I can get this in. Might not be able to get it. But you can go from that to, if I had my flash card in, I would be able to show you a picture or pictures. So you can basically go from HD camera to camcorder to HD just camera, or if you wanted to take pictures. Another weird thing about this camera is that when I tried to record some of my DJ sets, it would randomly turn off. And it doesn't seem to match any sort of pattern of anything. It will just go from, maybe I'll be able to record 15 minutes, and then it will cut off, or sometimes it will be like 2 seconds. I'll get like 2 seconds of something, and then it will cut off. So I'm not sure if it has something to do with my flash drive or if it has to do with the camera itself, but there's something that is not working with it. All in all, I would say that this is basically, you get what you pay for. Obviously, buy something better if you want a better experience. This is worth the buy if you want to spend $17.
You don't want zero problems, big fella.
Yup. If one more label try to stop me, it's gonna be some dreadhead niggas in your lobby. You don't want no problem with me. You don't want no problem with me. Just another day at the pick up on the mail. They gon' channel riding through the street, they be like they go. You don't want no problem with me. You don't want no problem with me. Just another day at the pick up on the mail. They gon' channel riding through the street, they be like they go. You don't want no problem with me. You don't want no problem with me. Just another day at the pick up on the mail. They gon' channel riding through the street, they be like.